In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid on Big Cartel in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Big Cartel, it's a fantastic platform for artists and small businesses to create easy online stores for free. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you can smoothly set up your payments and start earning. First, open up your web browser and head over to Big Cartel's website. Once you're there, you're going to look for the login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the screen, and once you spot it, give it a click. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your shop URL and password. If you haven't set up your shop already, make sure to do that first, as it's crucial to have this information on hand. After typing in your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button again. This will direct you to your Big Cartel dashboard. Think of this as your command center where you manage all aspects of your shop, from product listings to orders. Now focus your attention on the account section. You'll typically find this option in the menu bar or sidebar of your dashboard. Give it a click. Inside your account settings, scroll down until you see the payment options section. This is important because this area determines how you will receive payments from your customers. Click on the Get Paid button, which guides you to setting up your payment preferences. You're now in the heart of the process. You'll see an option to set up your payment options. Don't hesitate, click on it. From this point, you have a couple of choices to connect your payment processor. The most common ways are via Stripe and PayPal. Let's tackle Stripe first. Click on Connect Stripe. Follow the detailed steps Big Cartel provides to connect your Stripe account. It's usually a straightforward process requiring some basic information about your business. Stripe is a popular choice because of its secure and efficient processing capabilities. Alternatively, if you prefer using PayPal, click on Connect PayPal and again follow the steps provided. PayPal is renowned for its simplicity and is a trusted platform globally, making it a convenient option for many shop owners. Once you've set up either Stripe or PayPal, or both, you're all set up to start receiving payments. The setup usually takes a few moments, but once completed, you're ready to get paid for all the fantastic creations you're selling through your Big Cartel store. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to get paid on Big Cartel in just a few minutes. With these steps, you'll ensure that all transactions are processed smoothly, allowing you to focus more on what you love to do, creating and selling your products.